Hi, myself Praveen and this is Varsha. So basically we both are from Bangalore. So we were in the phase of researching a good interior company, and during the process while we are researching, so we came across Woodwell from an online portal. I was more particular with the quality and the pricing, and like Varsha was more particular with the design and the outlook. So and there we found like Woodwell is the right combination of both, and finally we decided to go ahead with the Woodwell.
Our house, we wanted it to be more peaceful and clean. So we went off more with shades of white and ivory and all that. And then for the wardrobes and everywhere, we went with the drawers without buttons or something push to open.
And in kitchen we wanted to utilize as much space available, and we want to cover everything. So like where we enclose all the things, so where the Woodwell came up with very good ideas where we can keep our cylinders in the utilities. They even suggested a tall unit where we keep all the groceries and all. So that was a good option given by Woodwell, and which was executed exceptionally well as well. We wanted a house with where there is a intelligent use of spaces, so that we came up with Woodwell. So we don't want a fixed furniture which usually we don't use for a lot of the time. So we went for like kids bedroom and the kids bedroom. We went with a space saving furniture concept. So where we use in Murphy beds, so which we can fold when it is not in use.
It's a study table whenever the bed is folded. Since we both are working and we have a kid of 5-year-old, we needed a study table which was functional, and bed too. So we have our parents and in-laws visiting us, so we needed a queen size bed everywhere in all the 3 rooms. So yeah, this is our house. We are very happy with whatever Woodwell gave us. It's completely in line with whatever we wanted the way it to look as. So it's good. We are happy with Woodwell.
And point to mention here is like Woodwell backend engineering team was exceptionally good. So we were in touch with the Woodwell manager Shrikant, who was completely cooperative, completely understanding, and they were on time with the deliverables whatever they have committed for. So we were able to get the complete interiors done, end to end interiors done within 45 days as what they have promised. Yeah, I wish good luck for Woodwell and keep up the quality.
Thank you.